Tired of seeing your money sit idle in a standard savings account? Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to make your cash work for you without taking on the risk of investing it in the stock market? If so, you're in the right place, because today we're breaking down how M1 Finance's high-yield cash accounts work. For a while, M1 Finance was known primarily for its automated investing platform. But in recent years, they've expanded their offerings to include a way to earn a high annual percentage yield, or APY, on your cash. Now, this isn't a traditional savings account. It's a brokerage cash account, which means it's integrated with M1's investing platform. This seamless integration is actually one of its biggest advantages. It lets you earn a great rate on your money while keeping it easily accessible for future investments. So, how does it all work? Well, M1 Finance partners with a network of banks to sweep your cash into those institutions. This is the key to providing that high APY and also a high level of FDIC insurance, often well above the standard $250,000 limit. This process means your money is diversified across multiple banks, which significantly increases your FDIC protection. It's a smart way to get the benefit of a high interest rate with the peace of mind that your money is safe. Another standout feature is the Smart Transfer system. This is automation at its finest. You can set up rules to automatically move money between your high-yield cash account and your investment accounts. For example, you can set a rule to keep a minimum balance in your cash account for emergencies and automatically transfer any amount over that threshold into your investment portfolio. This means your savings are always working for you, either by earning high interest or by being invested, without you having to manually move funds around. It's also important to note that you can open multiple high-yield cash accounts, each with its own specific purpose. This is perfect for setting and tracking different financial goals, like a down payment on a house, a new car, or an emergency fund. You'll have a clear picture of your progress for each goal, all while earning a high yield. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.